of sore throat. No. Oh, it's on. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gangster Greg. And today we are watching a video, very sad video, of a 12-year-old girl sneezes 1,200 to 1,000 times a day. Oh, okay, let's watch it.
12-year-old Caitlin Thornley started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to stop. Just listen to her.
Oh.
The schoolgirl who lives outside Houston sneezes 12,000 times a day. Sometimes a 7th grader can't complete a sentence.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets...
The only time the sneezing seems to slow down is when Caitlin listens to music, specifically the Beatles.
Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
For now, it's a medical mystery. Doctors have ruled out allergies or a virus. Until they figure it out, Caitlin can't go to school.
What? She can't even go to school. Like, what?
We've seen this phenomenon before. Remember this teenager who couldn't stop sneezing? Even at her prom, some kids laughed at her.
The heck? Those people that laugh at her, she has a disease. Those people that laugh at her will go to hell. Like, seriously.
This teenager also suffered from serial sneezing. This is Lauren Johnson today. Turns out she had a rare tic similar to obsessive-compulsive behavior that apparently started with a strep throat infection. Lauren has this advice for Caitlin.
I tell her just to keep going. Don't let people get her down.
I don't care what they do. I just want it to stop. It's been going on for way too...
What? Like, you just, sneezed. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a like and comment down below what next video should I do in a Gangster Greg video. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. Do you know Julian? No, I don't know. Dun, 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 dun.